4 complete months has gone in 2026. So of course, starting from the 1st of March, because of the war, you can see the equity market decline in March. Okay, but actually rebounded quite a fair bit in the month of April. Okay, so overall, this year, okay, of course, oil price still remain high. That's why commodity is still the one that's outperforming the rest of the asset. Okay, close to 50% gain for commodity markets. Okay, but if you look at the equity, gold actually still positive this year. Bonds still moving sideways, and if you include dividend, actually it's positive because this is just an index movement, right? So this is year to date. And over the past 1 month, you can see that equity market actually rebounded 6% from the previous month low. Okay, because I mean the war is still happening. Of course, the Strait Hormuz, there are people say that it's closed. Some people say it's open. But we try to do some fact check online. Actually, the Strait of Hormuz is still closed. All right. But for sure, things getting better. That's why volatility has came down. That's why market also improved in the month of April. Indoor indices, Singapore market is still quite resilient. Okay, for year to date, Singapore market is still up by about 5+%. Okay, but you can see the US market actually start to catch up. Okay, the US tech index or even S&P actually start to rebound. Okay, over the past 1 month. Okay, China still a little bit negative for this year. Okay, even though in March also have seen some rebound in the month of April. And this is over the past 1 month. Okay, most of the market actually in a positive return in the month of April. STI slightly negative, but over the past 1 year, over the past 4 months, Singapore market is still quite healthy, right? So the overall view is, of course, March was a bad month, but April was a good month. Okay, so now we are back to the situation that we see more positive news than negative news. And of course, this is just to remind that market uncertainty is always present. Okay, every single year there is still a form of uncertainty, and at least this year looks like geopolitical conflict is the main factor of this uncertainty for year 2026.